You can track stock prices in Google Sheets using the code that I'm about to show you, right? The Google Finance code. So let me open up my spreadsheet. Okay. And once I'm inside the spreadsheet, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see the FX right here. This is where you're gonna be able to add the Google Finance. Right. So you're gonna type equal Google, right? Google Finance, right? And you're gonna add air quotes, not air quotes, but like literal quotes, right? Which pulls real-time or historical data directly into your spreadsheet by specifying a ticker symbol in an attribute like quote-unquote price to track multiple stocks, list their tickers in a column, and use the function in an adjacent column, referencing the ticker cell. For example, I'm going to type something like this, right? Equals Google Finance, make sure you write it all in capital. Apple, close, date, right? From date A to date B, and the frequency, right? Daily or weekly or whatever. And then you're gonna just type, okay, enter. And you're gonna see all of the, you're gonna see the charts basically in real time. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.